Alright, just wanted to do a quick review on this keyboard skin for my Sony F-Series. This thing is super thin. I think it's made of silicone. It's just awesome, but look how thin that is. It's thinner than, it's paper thin. But you can't even tell, and it actually makes the typing experience a lot better. It's quieter, I mean, it's just better. But this is the see-through one, so you can actually still have the backlit keyboard and see it, if you can tell right there. But anyway, just wanted to kind of give a quick review on this thing. It's definitely worth it. I got it mostly just to keep my keyboard safe, and also it's going to keep it looking brand new, so one day when I want to go to sell this thing, my keyboard won't have shiny keys from all the oil from my fingers. But it's definitely awesome. Alright, peace.